I know Florida's a long way, and here he is. Oh, look at the truck! Holy cow! He's ready for the 4th of July. Jumpin' Johnny Lightning from Jupiter, Florida. What is he gonna do? He's shooting fireworks is what he's doing. Wow! That truck sounds mean! He's coming around picking up some speed. The Lightning truck goes around into turn 1. Black and red. I know he didn't come up here from Florida for nothing. He's going to the inside of the X. What's going on? Oh, he's going around the 8. Is he going to figure 8 the truck? Will he roll it over? What's he going to do? Here we go! He's heading for the campers! Look at him! Oh, he picked us! Oh my gosh! I thought it was gonna get ugly right then and there. As Jumpin' Johnny Lightning from Jupiter, Florida goes to the 8 again, picking up a lot of speed. What's he gonna do? Make some noise if you want him to jump it! Let me hear you, Rockford Speedway! Let Johnny hear you. Here we go! Here goes Johnny! Look out! Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! Holy cow! Jumpin' Johnny Lightning! Lisa from Juniper, Florida! That looked like a trailer race replay! Wow! Where's Johnny at? All right! I gotta go talk to this amazing guy! Holy cow! Ladies and gentlemen, Johnny is okay! Wow! I thought it looked crazy from your point of view. Oh my gosh. Who's looking for a slightly used trailer? There he is, Jumpin' Johnny Lightning from Jupiter, Florida. Holy cow, Johnny, I gotta shake your hand. That was madness. Do tell us about it. Over here. Come on over here, Jumpin' Johnny. All right, Johnny, that was nuts. Tell us about it.
Man, it just happened so fast. I didn't know what was going on, but it was awesome. Honestly, it was great. I'd honestly do it again.
I love the fireworks. The audience loved the fireworks. You were a lot of fun. Is this your first time doing this?
Yes, sir.
He's a rookie at doing it. I think he looked professional. Once again, give it up for Jumpin' Johnny Lightning Lisa from Jupiter, Florida.